Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Cook with Rayo. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make crispy chicken thigh. This is super amazing and very easy to make recipe. Stay tuned while we get into the video. So I have some washed chicken thigh, garlic cloves, some chopped onion, chopped chili pepper, seasoning cubes and salt. You can always exclude the chili pepper if you don't want your chicken spicy. So we are going to add our pepper and everything into a blender, add a little bit of water and blend till completely smooth. This is what we are going to be using to marinate the chicken. So after it's completely blended, we're going to pour it into the chicken. Then we're going to add some olive oil and paprika powder. If you have fresh paprika, you can just blend it with your marinade. Then we're going to be rubbing everything into the blender. Make sure you mix it and you let it go into the chicken, and we are going to cover it and leave to marinate for about 30 minutes or 1 hour, or as long as you want. Just note that the more you leave it to marinate, the more the ingredient is going to go deep inside the chicken. So after it's well coated with the ingredients, all you have to do is cover it and leave to set for 1 hour or as long as you want it. So for the next stage, you are going to be needing some flour, 1 egg and some milk. You know what, you can always use water and just flour for this stage, but just as an extraordinary girl that has a sweet tooth, I prefer using milk and egg. You can always use water. I'm telling you, it will also come out very nice. So I just added the egg into the milk, then I whisked it together with some salt. So right now I have some flour, my milk mixture and my chicken marinade. What I'm going to be doing is coat enough flour into the chicken, then I'm gonna dip it inside the milk, then I'm gonna coat another flour into it, then I will set it aside. And this is what you are going to be repeating till we are done with all our chicken. And also at this stage, make sure you are already preheating your frying oil in a deep frying pan, because once we're done with it and set it aside, we are going to transfer it into deep frying oil because we want to deep fry it. And here is the tips for frying your chicken thigh. The first 5 minutes on medium flame, the other 5 minutes on low flame, and the next 5 minutes on medium flame, which is gonna be 15 minutes in total. Medium, low, medium. So that is the tips, all till it's completely golden brown. And this is how it looks after it's well fried. Guys, this recipe is very easy to make, and if you find it kind of stressful, I'm telling you, it's really worth it because it is so delicious. Thanks for watching this video, and if this is your first time on my channel, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. See you guys in another video. Until then, be healthy, be safe and be happy. Love you. Bye.